Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off e-checks in PayPal. First, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Click on Seller Tools, then click Payment Receiving Preferences. Scroll down to the following payment section. Check the box that says Black e-checks. Click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off e-checks in PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.